Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest tech and gadgets so you can make informed decisions before you buy. Today, we're diving into the 2026 TV antenna for digital TV indoor by EDSRE. This is a long-range smart antenna designed for indoor use, promising access to free local channels in stunning 4K and 1080p. Complete with an amplifier signal booster to ensure you get the best reception possible. Let's start with the design. The antenna comes in a sleek black finish, compact yet robust, measuring about 8.35 by 6.06 by 2.32 inches and weighing just under 15 ounces. Its small footprint makes it ideal for indoor placement, whether you want to set it on a shelf, mount it on a wall, or simply place it behind your TV. The modern, unobtrusive design blends in nicely with most home interiors. In terms of performance, this antenna is engineered for a maximum range of up to 2,200 feet. That's impressive for an indoor setup, allowing you to capture a wide array of local channels. It supports 75 ohm impedance, ensuring compatibility with most modern TVs and digital setups. The built-in signal booster amplifies weak signals, helping to reduce interference and maintain a clear picture, even in areas where reception can be tricky. One of the biggest advantages of this antenna is cost savings. By picking up local channels over the air, you eliminate monthly cable bills entirely. It's also a great way to catch local news, sports, and entertainment without subscribing to a cable or satellite plan. Whether you're in an apartment, a home, or even a dorm, this antenna aims to provide reliable access to free programming. Setting up the 2026 TV antenna is straightforward. Simply connect it to your TV's coaxial port. Adjust the placement for optimal reception, and scan for channels. The antenna's smart design helps you achieve the best signal without complicated installations. It's ready to use out of the box, making it a practical choice for anyone who wants simplicity and performance in one package. This antenna is also built with durability in mind. Despite being lightweight and compact, it's constructed to last and withstand the everyday wear of indoor use. The amplifier is integrated seamlessly, so you don't have to deal with extra cables or separate devices cluttering your setup. So, is this antenna worth it? If you're looking to cut down on TV expenses, enjoy free local channels, and get high-definition viewing in 4K and 1080p, this antenna is a strong contender. It combines range, signal strength, and ease of use in a stylish, compact package. That wraps up our look at the 2026 TV antenna for digital TV indoor by EDSRE. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, in-depth reviews of the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.